Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Maya had always dreamed of having an unusual pet. While her friends had cats and dogs, she wanted something different. One Saturday morning, she visited an exotic pet shop in the city center. The shop was filled with colorful birds, reptiles, and tropical fish. Maya walked slowly through the aisles, admiring each animal. Suddenly, a bright green parrot caught her attention. The parrot had beautiful blue and yellow feathers on its wings. "Hello there," the parrot said clearly. Maya was amazed that the bird could talk. She asked the shop owner about the parrot. "His name is Rio, and he is 3 years old," the owner explained. "He needs a lot of attention and care," the owner added. Maya nodded eagerly and decided to adopt Rio. She bought a large cage, special bird food, and several toys. The owner gave her detailed instructions about caring for a parrot. Maya carefully carried Rio home in a special transport box. At home, she set up the cage near the living room window. Rio looked nervous in his new environment. He stayed silent and refused to eat for the first few hours. Maya felt worried but remembered what the owner had told her. Parrots need time to adjust to new places. The next morning, Rio finally started eating some seeds. Maya felt relieved and spoke softly to him. However, the first week was very challenging. Rio screamed loudly every morning at 6 o'clock. Maya's neighbor started complaining about the noise. She had to apologize several times. Maya researched online how to reduce a parrot's screaming. She learned that parrots scream when they feel lonely or bored. Maya started spending more time with Rio in the mornings. She would talk to him while having her breakfast. Slowly, Rio's morning screaming became less intense. Another problem was Rio's eating habits. He threw food everywhere and made a huge mess. Maya had to clean around the cage twice a day. She bought a special mat to catch the falling food. Rio also needed fresh fruits and vegetables every day. Maya learned which foods were safe for parrots. Avocados and chocolate were poisonous to birds. After a month, Maya noticed Rio becoming more comfortable. He started saying good morning when she entered the room. Maya decided to teach him more words and phrases. She repeated simple sentences to Rio every day. Within 2 weeks, Rio learned to say "I love you." Maya was so proud of her clever parrot. She posted videos of Rio talking on social media. Her friends were impressed by Rio's vocabulary. Some friends came to visit and meet Rio in person. Rio enjoyed the attention and performed for the guests. He would dance and bob his head to music. One afternoon, Maya accidentally left the cage door open. Rio flew out and landed on the bookshelf. Maya panicked, afraid that Rio might hurt himself. But Rio simply looked at her and said hello. She carefully approached him with a treat. Rio hopped onto her hand and ate the treat. This was the first time Rio willingly stepped onto her hand. Maya realized that trust takes time to build. From that day, she let Rio out of the cage every afternoon. Rio would fly around the room and explore. Maya made sure all windows were closed during these times. She also removed any dangerous objects from the room. Summer arrived, and Maya wondered about vacation plans. She couldn't simply leave Rio alone for a week. Finding a pet sitter for an exotic bird was difficult. Maya asked her sister Lisa for help. Lisa agreed to take care of Rio during the vacation. Maya wrote detailed instructions for her sister. She explained Rio's daily routine and feeding schedule. Lisa visited several times before the vacation to meet Rio. Rio seemed to like Lisa and even said hello to her. During the vacation, Maya missed Rio terribly. Lisa sent her daily photos and videos of Rio. Rio was behaving well, though he seemed quieter than usual. When Maya returned home, Rio screamed with excitement. He kept saying Maya, Maya, and flapping his wings. Maya felt touched that Rio had missed her too. She gave him extra treats and spent the whole evening with him. A year passed since Maya had adopted Rio. They had developed a strong bond. Rio knew over 50 words and phrases. He would ask for water when his bowl was empty. He would say goodnight when Maya turned off the lights. Maya's friends often asked her about keeping an exotic pet. She always told them the truth about the challenges. Exotic pets require much more time and effort than regular pets. They need special diets, environments, and attention. Veterinary care for exotic animals is also more expensive. Maya had to find a specialist vet for Rio's checkups. But Maya never regretted her decision to adopt Rio. He brought so much joy and laughter into her life. Every morning, Rio greeted her with cheerful words. Every evening, they spent quality time together. Maya realized that having an exotic pet is a big responsibility. But the rewards are equally great. She had found a true companion in her colorful parrot. Rio had taught her patience, dedication, and unconditional love. Looking back, Maya smiled at how far they had come. Their journey together was just beginning. And Maya knew it would be filled with many more adventures.
Learn with LingoStories.app.